Hey folks, today is May the 3rd. It's currently 9:11 in the morning. We're going to go ahead and do our Pattern Trader Pro weekly update review. Since we know they don't take trades on Fridays, I feel pretty safe about going ahead and doing it this early. Let's go ahead and check out the review page real quick. This was a pretty busy week, and I actually forgot about it, but today was actually non-farm payroll day. When I got up this morning, there were several trades still open, and I was happy to see that somebody had closed those trades out before the non-farm payroll release. So that's one good thing about having somebody watching over the trades. So as you guys can see here, if you recall last week we had this pullback, and as you can see this week we had this really nice jump up in profit. And today they, like I said, closed out a few trades before non-farm payroll, and that gave us this pullback here. We'll take a look at that here in a second. But as you can see, at this point, we're up 8.89%. Let's go ahead and check out the MyFX book page, and then we'll look at the actual brokerage statement. All right, so yeah, definitely took a hit this morning, minus 1.85%. Like I said, non-farm payroll, I had completely forgot about it, so I'm glad somebody else was watching over that for us here. All right, so let's see overall this week. Overall this week, 5.25%, or $1,089, or excuse me, 1,086.25. Very nice. All right, May is just 3 days into the month, and we're already up 5.81%. Definitely can't wait to see what comes for the rest of the week. Actually, let's take a look at the brokerage statement to see the trades. All right, first day of this week was April the 29th. All right, so basically right here it looks like. As you guys can see, we took some sizable losses. 403. When did this one close? This one closed actually today. I think this is one of the ones that closed because of the non-farm payroll. And there was one other that was a loss because of non-farm payroll. I think this was it right here. And then they closed out a profitable trade. It was about $200 in profit. They closed it out due to non-farm payroll as well. But anyway, as you guys can see, this week it was a little bit of a mixed bag, but obviously significantly more winners than losers. Here's a $562 winner. Very nice. Lots of nice wins this week. All right. And as you guys can see here, our lot size has pretty much stayed right around the same area, 0.60, 0.63. And you can see right here, as our account size bumped up, our lot size went up a little bit as well to 0.66. So that's always nice to see. So hopefully next week we'll be trading with the 0.66 lot size. And let's see here. And they did mention about on their website about a human actually verifying the trades and managing or watching over the account. Obviously, this is what the system is actually trading, the different patterns: double top, head and shoulders, rising wedge, double bottom, inverse head and shoulders, falling wedge. But another good thing about this is, pretty sure it's down near the bottom somewhere. All right, human intelligence, a professional trader verifying each trade for you. And most likely it's just the vendor doing that, this individual here. So it's most likely just him actually watching out for news releases and things like that. And obviously that's important, because if we had been in this trade with those 4 trades that we had on, you can see right here, this is what happened. You see we had this quick spike down. I'm not sure what trades we were actually in, if we were looking for the trade to go up or down on whatever currency pair it was in, but you can see this could have easily taken us out of a trade. Could easily spike down to hit a stop loss before returning in the direction. So definitely want to be out of the market when high impact news is coming out. So I was happy to see that individual took us out of those trades. Basically, it's just a confirmation for me that somebody is actually watching over the trades, and that's not just something that's being talked about. All right, so I think that's everything I wanted to touch on here. You know, last week, like I said, definitely wasn't the best week, but we were able to pull ourselves back up. And as I've said before, no system is going to be, 100% winning trades where the equity curve goes straight up. Let me pull this back down here. So ideally what we want to see, goes up, pulls down, goes up, pulls down, and then like I said last week, continues to go up. And Bitcoin is actually doing significantly better. Wow, that is great. All right, anyway, if you guys have any questions on Pattern Trader Pro, send them my way and I'll try to get them answered for you. And if you want to get more information on it, make sure you guys click the link below. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next weekly update review. I think we have 3 more to go, and the next is going to be on May the 10th. Take care, folks. Have a great weekend.